Personal presentation. Hello, my name is Luis Carlos Melo Patiño. I am 33 years old. I am from Colombia and I live in the municipality of Ricaurte Nariño. I am a student of environmental sciences at U Digital de Antioquia and I am currently in the second semes- semester. My habits and listening to music and spend it time with my children and my parents. I live with my parents Afranio and Yolanda, my brother Miguel, my wife Angela, and my son Luis Emiliano. Thank you.